Diggy diggy ding, some gyal a ruffle up all of it. Me them want figgy the jacket, but me nah go mind no bikini if me know I know me like it.
Welcome to another episode of Bartalk. Milestone indeed. It's the 10th episode already. Here we have Yad, the girl them got. We have Nguvo, we have a teacher, the bleacher. We have Giroud, the girl them Rude. We have Salama, the girl them Pampa. Subscribe, like, very interesting topic to be discussed right now. Over to you, teacher.
Alright, bless up yourself, yeah. The man call me the girl them, huh? The bleacher, say I call it. Girl and bleacher, that's a brother. Boy, oh boy. Anyway, so fraudulent paternity is very prevalent in Jamaica, and the supporting statistics are embarrassing. In these paternity cases, fraudulent paternity, we call it jacket in Jamaica. Jacket. Alright.
Jacket.
So the supporting statistics are very embarrassing. In these paternity cases, the unsuspecting male is intentionally identified as the father of the child by its mother, who knows he is not. So people, this is one topic I want to touch from a long time. So now at the right time to touch. So the topic goes, does the jacket fit paternity fraud in Jamaica? I'm going to go again. Does the jacket fit paternity fraud in Jamaica? Hot topic. So I'll show you out now. Bridging them in the bar, yeah? You know what I mean? So open discussion. What's your bridging?
I'm going to go first. As if you notice from a podcast that we did I think it was episode 3 where I told you that ladies come for the agenda. So who more stable? Them now want to get a jacket. So it go. Over to anybody want
to add. Poor man can't get jacket then. They say broke man can't get jacket.
Broke man can't get jacket.
Broke man can't get jacket. They say my bro, I go in a relationship, I can't get jacket then. So that means my youth, I go to somebody else. Well, what's supposed to be my youth, I go to be assigned to somebody else.
Remember, you know, a baby mother and a baby father, once they connected, once there's a child involved, connection. So that baby mother always get something from the relationship. You know what I mean?
Wait, so 18 plus years. I'm 18 more than 18
plus years. Yeah. So once a baby father rich, baby mother always get all heap of money. You know what I mean? Because the child is involved. So that's why you always find a lot of the jacket percentage so high in Jamaica. Stability, people, stability. Man, they want stability. They don't want a broke man. For eat mackerel and rice every freaking day.
Because I tell you, say the broke man can't get jacket.
Why mackerel and rice? But not mackerel and rice.
Yeah, mix up yourself this all again.
And now I mix up myself. Woman, them not in a broke man. Listen and go over.
Definitely, no woman I want to broke back.
Why? You easy, no?
The man that say I broke back, the dog don't say.
Broke
man, I can't confuse himself. Man, I can't confuse himself.
How may I confuse himself? No man don't want a broke man. That me tell you.
Hey,
so the confusion is.
Wait, no man, I'm sure nothing. All I did sociology. You ever sociology, Jero?
Yeah, man.
Come on.
All right. Remember saying the one I think them will teach you was liquor.
I mean,
what they call it? What kingship?
The Maslow hierarchy of needs.
Kingship relationship or matrifocal thing where the woman decides you get to go on. One of our ways of surviving is having a bag of man, and the picnic is used as a part of the whole survival.
A meal ticket.
Yes, a meal ticket.
Investment.
So now that me just say when I go like a foolishness me that.
Me look on you and tell you.
Nobody never say you say foolishness, huh?
So I go over. So me say 7.5 attack.
Yeah, confuse yourself, yeah. Yeah, confuse yourself.
Okay, 7.5.
Me want to ask her one question. So wait there. But what is the big deal in a woman looking at the scenario and say, all right, we just fuck 3 man. Bill Nana money. Peter him job come and go. and James, a marketing director, a big company.
Mm-hmm.
But really and truly, a Peter Pitney. So what the big deal with that woman look on it now way in order for survival or youth? I bet she give the umbrella we can do the maths the right way. The youth.
Where's the economical choice? Where's the economical choice?
Why the big deal in an economical choice?
Well, boy, my born, well, economical, try shall look on that. But in terms of the social aspect, my born a fire this still. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, the youth need for them real father and the wrong man get the child.
But if Peter get the penny, probably turn gunman.
But said GMs that did the youth like a female youth.
Yeah.
Because him thinks
everything.
Thinks
yeah. James, he find out son a female youth, him cut. No, well, you have someone who's still under the jacket, you know.
No, we know that's the next part of the scenario. Where I say, but right now, James I do everything. Everything where the youth need James I deal with.
Yeah, but pre this though. Because same like how you can say everything the youth do, James are provide. It's just like the lottery scammer. Everything where the lottery scammer requests, person will get scam I provide. So you want 1,500 for clear your winnings. The scam person I send the 1,500. So the woman in this case
you consider the woman to be a scam.
Oh, you mean a scam, she a scam. Oh, I just the same thing.
I think she's saving the country in Salama. Because Peter go that young man, he probably tell one good man, I same thing.
Yes, man, I road.
Yes.
Stereotype, brother. Stereotype.
No,
stereotype, brother. Stereotype.
No, stereotype.
My thing.
Probably 60% that little boy might turn a gunman.
Why?
No.
Come on, man. We're gonna stop.
Peter live in a back pool now, in a zinc fence.
Peter Liam. Peter not big youth.
And James come from uptown.
Peter can't motivate the youth.
James live now and in Narbrook style there, isn't it?
Nah, man.
So Peter hold on, Solomon.
Me I say. Yeah,
when I try to say a man have means to be a good father.
No.
That makes sense. You can't say that. You can't come from
That's not a question for me. That's not a question for me.
A man have means.
That's a question for these. That's a question for these informal prostitutes.
All right, pre-this.
Yeah, that reinforce upon them.
All right, pre-this.
Save a country, man.
Pre-this.
Save which country? Stop that foolish.
I can't cross off the place already, you know, man.
Really?
I am forces like that. Want to enforce the point, Mr. Nguvo. I'm telling Mr. 7.5.
No, man, we set Bartal right way, you know. We need to make it a tradition. We need to order the drinks first.
For real.
Before we continue, Rich.
For real. Give me a spitfire.
I'll have
cool red stripe. Red stripe.
Give me a flask. A white rum and a flask of Campari. And
straight Johnny Walker. Straight Johnny Walker black. Right in the system.
Yes, I keep on walking.
And I think Nguvo wants
a Malta
of milk.
The side.
Preferably Surge Island.
Yes,
advertisement they go again.
All right, pre-this in from Jump Street, you see where society on a whole monetize a man's role in the relationship. So the only thing them put say a man's role is financial.
Get the bread.
Support. Get the bread. So you find say it will only become innate in some of these females because some of them, as it say, man cheat, woman cheat. So some of them women are cheat on the man them. I go always associate a father or a role of a father with money. A study was done recently. Yeah, man. A study was done recently by CM Herbert Gill, where him pull a study of, as Nguvo mentioned, some poor men in some communities who played the role of a father, not just financially because them couldn't afford it financially, but them did it for the pay them cook, ensure say clothes, iron,
guidance, protection,
nurture the youth, and them did it for the youth, and them did it physically present. The parent, the mothers and the females in those communities gave those men a failing grade out of 10. They gave them like 4.5 out of 10.
So them get the man a failing grade. Because them not provide the money.
Can't provide the
economical means. But them still they not do the regular.
Right.
But teacher in essence,
hold on, and hold on.
No, man, Jerry, bring it back to the jacket.
And then finish. Yeah, and then you find where, so you find where the man who migrate and they're foreign, and all him do is send money. Every week.
Barrel youth, barrel pitney.
Him send $100, $50. I'm only talk to the youth once a month. These same women in these communities gave that man a 9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
And say he's a good father.
Economics.
So you find say because the financial aspect of fatherhood is all that enough of these women grow for think of. All them do is whoever have more financial stability is who sometimes them end up give the child to.
So yeah,
but it's not a case.
Basically, in the Jamaican context, then it basically makes sense for the woman to that. Then
in the context of the mind of the woman is that money is playing a role.
Money is all. Money is king.
Money
I'm sure that. I'm going to Joe. Well, I'm going to chime in a little bit. Come on, stay long. The jacket thing is not really frowned upon by females, you know. Some of them celebrate it, you know, among themselves, you know, when them drop a jacket for the money, man, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember the famous selector, we're not calling the name still. And him find out some 13-year-old daughter and a female, but him still check for the daughter, him still go provide support. Mataran. Yeah, in the media. Yeah, man, him say boy, him ban the child from Shaban, I'm still gonna do him local support. And most of these cases, people find out when them are filing for the youth or for embassy. You know, you have for the DNA. Yes, I might look up chime in that. Yes, and
I see him to Drew that said this the man
wait, so a teacher tries to say more man must do that? Where tries to teacher?
No, I never say more man must do that.
No, but why have you mentioned a case? No,
why am I mention why the woman are doing it?
Drew, and go
well,
and go and come
all right, go through yeah.
But basically, even where Drew, just to enhance Drew's point, because even where them said the man who didn't get the 9 out of 10. The time man who was send the money go get the baby mother, right? The so-called baby father get the baby mother money. It's that money. It's that money when send to her. You think 20% of that go towards the baby. Most of it go towards she.
So that's hairstyle.
Hairstyle. So it's a next income toward for her. So as we say, it's necessary for the woman to give man who more money the jacket. As we tell her, she that's a fair thing.
That's
first thing going in a relationship of stability.
And that's why some of them are dead.
So Solomon, hold on then.
No, we can't.
We're not support.
Yeah, but it's not violence. But I'm saying this is the reason why some of them are dead.
You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to.
Clear the statement, Joe. Because when I the podcast and things, so we support them thing there.
No, you're supposed to.
Explain.
I might
explain.
I might get a jacket that fit and a fit like that bomb bucket.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
No, man, say you don't need to kill now. When I kill for, you don't bother the child already. The child is like film.
What are you saying?
I don't support that a while ago.
Me support that. If they get the jacket, right?
What you say?
No, well, if the mind support the jacket, so not wrong. That's film thing now. They can't fight them.
No, but I'm asking what is he saying because
what me mentioning if he is on the
and what I am mentioning
in supporting that child. So
the jacket and fit down there, blur.
Yeah, you can't.
And what I am saying, I may not fight it, but
you need to kill no man and vex no man for that.
Hear the man. The man a fight what me I say.
Yeah, man, someone for jacket.
Well, I'm not. This is what I say. What I am saying is factual. Women are dead because of things like this. What you say?
I'm saying that I tell you that not supposed to be Jude.
And then listen to what I say now. I want to tell you there. Remember the case when we were at university, 2007, 2008, 2007, where the man killed him the woman must kill himself in a tavern or Augustown.
Yeah, up for them place. One out for them.
But Drew, may I say,
Listen to what I say now. Yeah, the man have 4 pitney with the woman. Him raise the 4 pitney them till them go. You be it primary school, high school, wherever not.
Never kill a woman.
I himself him kill.
It's a different case that you talk about.
Alright, let me tell you, remember the one where
when kill himself, that one there too.
He kill himself.
Yeah, but I say
a Redovich, the man wake up the morning and see your Reds give me
Rest
a drink.
in peace, Redovich. Rest in peace.
Give me a drink now, Reds I say you're miserable now, man. And see how that long man. All if he hears about 2 hours later, dog hang himself.
exactly. Why him hang himself? Because the man raised the 4 pitney them.
Yeah, that's a basically. Yeah, that's a basically. You need for bother even go do the test. If you just accept it,
and work with it.
That's fine.
Alright, we are listen, first of all.
That basically I said.
Yo, Engovo. Give me
clone, give me
clone.
Not for the clone. That means saying like you never like the child.
Man. Give me true type,
like the child.
You can't like the child. You can't like the child to each other.
No, nothing to do with like, brother.
Yo, me a big up. Alright.
Last week I said the man no for those running. Yeah, big you know.
First of all, that is why me always make this declaration. Me not in the stepdaddy thing. Me not in no man youth.
No.
Listen when I say no, brother. You know, I'm finished.
No, man, we can't. Where you talking?
Wait. So what, man? For us
no, man, I'm not this attack, bad man, Salaman. So that means every woman will look after the childless then.
Brother, you know, make me finish, brother.
No, man, I can't make you finish, man.
That's why you talk, Salaman.
That man is a chat, say.
Not true. My man completing statement, yard.
Me nah mind no man picnic. Guess
no, man, me not support that, but me not support that thought.
You know, be so that you want support me, go mind man picnic.
Support that thought.
Charity, go mind man picnic. All I'm saying is, if listen what I'm saying now, if I find a woman and she have a youth, yeah, yes, from me find out say she have a youth. Guess what me saying in my head. Guess what me saying in my head now. I only want vagina.
Nah, man, that too rigid, man.
You, Mr. Superman. That's you.
No, man, I'm Batman. The girl love me.
So guess what, if a woman tell me say she a breed for me, if me you can't do pattern test in her belly. So the only thing you can do, I give her 9 months. But guess what the government do? The only thing we're good. What the government do? You can get back that money if the youth is not yours.
So that's a good thing.
9 months.
So there's legislation against that. There's a law that passed.
Yeah, do I test?
Yeah, you
married long term, 20 years, way. As a baby man, you do a test. That you try
as the baby born, me I do the test.
Okay, all right.
when in doubt.
Born.
Well, what my highlight this before the move on.
No doubt, man. So do the test. No matter what. That the man
business, she can vex how she want. She can
vex highlight this. Me say look at things.
If a man,
if
a man did do what them do, every woman a file for maternity test quick. I them not trust, man. So why me if you go on like me, I idiot? More I'm a test, virgin. Me could have married. More I'm a test.
All right. So there are some fine and penalty, you know. So they must say if the woman is found out to be committing the paternity fraud or giving a man a jacket.
And forgot jail.
Fine now. Well, I know $250,000 to $1 million.
Let me tell you, man.
Fine. Well, I know, man. Imprisonment or an increased imprisonment term not exceeding 3 to 6 months. Guilty. But remember, no, only a man going to follow this tree now. The whole embarrassment thing. So them just low it out and just
one ego. Me a follow through and
ego
want my money.
I wish at least they'd ask you a paternity.
Me a text you back.
I wish I love ask which artist Asafa Powell.
A great Asafa Powell. The era.
Safa.
The era.
But now I'm not for do jacket teacher. That's half a thing.
Remember,
We do child support better.
Yes,
Yeah.
when you have the child support, you have to do a DNA test, Mr.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
Well, the man request one.
We can request, but you don't have to.
Well, the man request one.
And a foolish is not him though. We don't know that.
The food.
The man in doubt.
I don't know why you don't go. I don't know why you don't set up. I don't know why you don't set up. That is for you. Set up daddy
Man, it's
for
like
you.
that. You know you get that woman in.
Daddy for you because I have charm and charisma and I trick them.
But I have charm and charisma too, so we answer.
You want to mine other men's child.
No, I don't want to. But and every woman where you get you have
I'm not
a child.
there with no baby mother. Me not there with no baby mother. Me not there with no woman where pregnant during the pregnant. Me wash off the head. Me not there with no baby mother.
Suppose that woman make a bet. Suppose she's the one. She's a soulmate.
What is wash off head? Wash off head is the clinical term where
No man. Now wash off my head. Now wash off my head.
So
now wash off my head.
Can turn cool.
No, that it me.
That's what it means. Cool with the
You drink too much rum, bad man.
Some terms on
one more glass of rum.
So in Google, when you hear nothing from you about this paternity fraud thing, is Jackie silent over there.
Mr. 7.5, I do
I
your questions.
When daddy for
so,
you,
in Google, you don't mind a jacket. In Google, you don't mind a jacket. In Google, me attack. I'm over there silent, you know. I hear what you're
doing.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? How that sound? Like the man have a look.
You know enough woman do too? A woman knows say yo, a woman knows say a man bust in her belly, you know, brother. And she a breeding in her 1 month, you know. And God, guess what? You and I go live on bad terms, you know, that. But you see, cause you have the cash. She just make up, you know, and give you some vagina, you know. And you bust in her belly, you know.
Squeeze it pan him, man. See me what man.
Squeeze it pan him. By a month. Edge him out. Me? Paternity test. You hear that? Want it for mine. I want the podcast like so we are ready. Ladies, it's irresponsible. It's downright disgusting, obnoxious, and downright dirty.
Exactly.
Give a man a child that is not his.
Exactly. And that's why me say she's just like the scammer.
You are a poor human being.
Raffler.
Or the scum of the earth.
I think you guys are being very savage.
You're the scum of the earth if you give a child that is not.
I think savage.
Look like
very, very savage. Because that child
pre this. Because
pre this. You me I say. You me I say. That time for pre. Because that same when she could have even uplift herself when she even give all that man the jacket. The better man the jacket.
What?
When I explain myself, when I explain myself,
charity around, sir.
What are you? No way am I trying. You try some better.
It's not like if you find it, want to get jacket and I'll commit suicide.
Oh, easy.
Brother, yeah, man.
Brother, if you want uplift our spirit, there is
Jack Daniels.
There's Jack Daniels. There is Johnny
Walker.
There's
Johnny Walker,
there's Remy Martin.
Real nephew them.
There's real
nephew.
Yo, NEC.
One lift your spirit there. Protect you. Well, guess what? They are irresponsible with their vagina. Unno want this feminist movement when everything is equal. Equality, and we're still giving away jackets. We're still giving away jackets. I don't want equality. I don't want to be recognized as somebody. Stop giving away jackets.
And as Medea said earlier, Zine, because you had say she go grow. Yo, remember say once a child
of generational rapists in blood. But kind of money.
When there's a child coming to play, there's a child involved in this relationship now,
Exactly.
No, one when let's say in a for instance, something happen where this child needs surgery and need blood, and you quote unquote as the father.
Exactly.
Play your role so good. You run to an hospital to give your pitney. And when you
type
draw the whole of your blood,
and
when you look and you see them say the blood and your youth. Oh yeah, talk say that. You know, so that only affect.
But Giroud, go even further. Man, you have to give blood now. The pitney upon the deathbed and blood it needs to save the pitney life.
And that's why I say,
father can't get the blood.
You fully wreck. You fully wreck. You fully mash up.
That's why I say it's more than just involving the mother and the father.
Exactly.
And
the child in play now. Yes, because suppose the blood what the child want go save them. And you go and give blood. The blood no match.
You know what is unfair?
And things the money can't.
I know what is unfair. So the fact said you decide. No, what the fact said you decide.
The fate of the child.
Never that you decide whether or not this man should have a chance to deal with him youth. You decide that. You decide. You make a decision for cut the
the money man. James are the money man and Peter the broke man.
Yeah. Peter Ananas. Bill down the money.
Yeah,
Peter Ananas.
But James have the cheddar.
And now get the job them when
that's why I say you had a preach from just the man and the woman perspective.
No, yeah, it's like woman. He's a female.
Yeah, well. But then watch this.
You're too male, man.
No, man, look on it. You have to look on the thing.
Should be more male.
You have to look on the picture.
You make it
stick in a yard. Here, hold on now.
Cut you, Joe.
Watch this, Ian.
Yeah,
we mentioned the hospital case of the pitney, the on death's bed, right?
And it's a good find that.
Well, the next case.
Right?
Listen to what I'm saying now. And the next case is the migration.
Nah, I see now my room drinking a bad man.
Enough of these youths out here, a sink on the fact say, yo, my father filed for me can't go far.
Yeah, man.
So get a quote unquote better life.
Better life. Quote unquote better life.
Reach them for go embassy. Embassy say them for do DNA test.
I never that to Jiro. The you work him socks off to get good grades.
Yeah, mash up
the youth. Some say when it reach embassy stage now, teachers, the child comes and as Solomon say, get good grades in exam them. Passing the whole exam. This youth now in a 5th grade and him do the right
as
thing.
As a one way, one
thing, the man is not the father for the pitney. Who you think hurt the most in that situation?
Just get mashed up.
You think the man I go mash up a foreign as much as the little youth mash up, knowing say him can't go foreign to him quote unquote father. Where is it? What is the what is the penalty for the female?
Next thing, you know, not for cutting about the next thing is how the youth are think about his mother.
Exactly.
It might think what kind of person this woman is. So,
so much years.
No, but no, not pay the woman in a bad picture in a scenario.
Any woman will get jacket should
a bad scenario.
In a bad situation. What you talk say?
And when the juvenile act no one decides to go to the mother and say, oh, so mommy, I want my father. And she gonna say, oh, John, you know, say me no know.
Yeah.
Sure, I know. You know,
how about some time them no know, dog?
Some time them know for real, that I'm real.
Oh, so I tell them genuinely no know because them going to take so much cock in a last.
Poor man can't get jacket. That me know that's your fact. Poor man I get jacket.
Poor men usually don't.
Yeah, you usually don't.
The best thing then teacher is not nobody will try to live a better life thing. Just go and be poor and just easy yourself, you see me?
Go and be what?
I never that Enguvo, you know. It's time we start talk about just the same way women are stay over the years and man careless with them fuck. A time now we start show say women even more careless. We cannot give birth to a child now, so there's no way we can give jacket, you know.
Yeah, we can't deceive them now, you know.
Man can't give jacket, you know. Man can give bond. Man can give bond. We give bond very well. We give bond top of the line. We're top of the line in terms of
bond jacket. Which one?
Well, I mean, I not necessarily agree with that one that say more proficient.
No, we're not more. No, it's not a matter of more proficient. It's the bond thing now. I become man not really follow up woman make woman seem like them better cheaters, you know.
No, but at the end of the day,
woman like how woman follow you up. We find out them long time.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, it just show you say the two sex them are gibbon.
I don't show you say
Right.
The two sex them are got hell.
and the woman has sex. They don't condom, basically. And the woman do right thing.
Exactly.
And guess what, go on? Them are give born a hell. Them are give born a hell and also a heaven. So, in terms of this topic, it's a pretty simple topic in my view. This jacket thing. As I said before, and I reiterate, a woman that gives a man a jacket is very inconsiderate, is downright shameful, and should be ashamed of herself, and is a scum of the earth. Likewise, a man that gets the youth, and it's his youth, and abscond is responsibility. So, in totality, if you get a youth, give the right man the youth. When you get the youth and your youth, look after him. That's it.
Alright, so boy Solomon, if you realize some of the time the woman themselves even know who are the father, you know. But anyways,
informal prostitution.
What I say is this: the whole jacket thing is a very unfortunate part of Jamaica's culture. Alright, it is a result of broken homes and broken families, and it perpetuates that cycle. It has negative impact on the men when they come to the realization that he would have been deceived. It can have negative effect on the child and the child's perception of his or her mother in that scenario. So basically, it's not like a quick fix thing, because as I said a while ago, some of the time the woman themselves never know. They just to you to as a female to be more responsible in your sexual life and be more careful and less promiscuous. Over out.
Alright, yeah, dear. Well, when you make it seem like the woman them is very oh my god, I can't believe how my friend them are dealing with them. So, but we can see how sometimes you can see how the woman them really can give the woman them a jacket. You know what I mean? Because them themselves, as I always telling you, should learn from what I'm saying. So stability a woman go in a relationship. So who is more stable? I get the jacket and we can see a look out for yourself. Everybody look out for themselves. Because the man even look out for themselves. You know what I mean? Remember you get a jacket. You know you find out say your son a jacket. I say go. I want him think that. No, I want him think that you grow up to love a child. No, the child you love and a jacket you love you grow up to love a child as your own now. You know what I mean? The clown thing start now when you start if you accept that woman in your life, if you run a woman, but the man, the boy and the girl keep on motivating the person, all them stuff.
What?
I mean I really see nothing wrong with a jacket. You know what I mean? You get a jacket that was circle. I was one of them things that the raffle does go on. Me I raffle up on daddy. I circle, I'm out. I understand.
Sure. You are surely out.
Yo, remember Men in Black?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The device wipe your memory.
Wipe the memory.
I need one of them
because
yeah, man. I understand one thing we just got, but as I said, at the end of the day, people will just do the right thing. As Ngugo mentioned, people will be more careful and more responsible when it comes down to them sexual lifestyle and do the right thing. I think as Solomon said too, it is just downright wrong, and the woman them need to stop do it. If you're not certain who is the father, whoever you're with, just be a responsible human being and make the person know say, Dan,
9 months of pregnancy, I want to eat food. Sorry.
No man, I'm not talking about eat food, but make it be known that this is the case, this might happen.
The decision himself.
Right. So if at that point now the man can decide say, boy, I'm not sure. Me stick around and then find out after. But don't put the curtain over the man's eyes and lead him astray, because in the future it will cause harm to everybody involved. Not just the woman, not just the child, not just the man. Everybody involved, it can cause harm. Because I mentioned it before, situation where the child might need surgery and the man willing to assist, because in a female he's the father, and if end up him can't assist, him lose the child. Bam, that's our one. Next scenario, the youth want to go foreign. When him find out and him father, what is that child going to do going forward? Stop put blinders on and think about the situation only for yourself. Let's do the right thing. The woman them need to stop it.
Yeah man, so the teacher there, boy. My memory just wiped from what you had said a while ago. They use a Men in Black device. You know?
Wipe and wipe, man.
Yeah, man.
Wipe.
Yeah, man. Moving on. So wipe. Wipe on my mind. We just say earlier. Anyway.
But up on your mind, bad boy.
Based on what you said about you accepting all jackets are welcome. Anyway.
As long as I swipe.
Yeah, anyway. My thing, what me I try to say, I don't want the people in the podcast land feel to say I just uptown people alone get jackets. Where some people say uptown people have money, or middle class, you have man at the garrison, we have money. And you have garrison people get jackets. The jacket is not unique to one specific class. So it's right across the social spectrum of society. To the woman them, why if you not doing a thing on road, don't just wear a condom. So you have to avoid, so you can avoid that type of ruffle and dip type.
Women don't wear condom, they wear femidom, sir.
See, alright. Thank you, sir. And the man them out there.
Femidom.
Yeah, a long time need a word in. And for the man them out there who you know some girl bad, you still go in, you still have sex with them without a condom. Why? Some wanna cause it for themselves still cause we know some city. Yeah man, don't finish the statement. What me I try to say, the woman them stop misleading the man them. I remember the youth them get damaged psychologically at the end. So it's not only solely for us. Tax and tear and breed for your money, man. The youth them suffer in the long run, especially when him find out to the man him say or know for X amount of years, it's not his or her father. So it's a slippery type of slope, and you can grow up to hate the mother based on what transpired. You know what I mean? So it's a slippery slope. You know what I mean? I might look out to take that on it still. Get the youth to the right father.
What did I mean? Have a baby by me and be a millionaire?
What, 50 this said that? Alright, so close out the podcast.
Thanks for watching and listening to the Bar Talk program. We are here. Also, we do referrals. So if you want to call us or talk to us, just email us at BartalkJA@gmail.com or so.
Yeah man, quite so.
Yeah man. Or you can message us by Instagram and just if you want, just reason with me. So we also reason it. You see me? So big up on the stuff.
Smash the like button. Up. Out and out.
Subscribe. Peace and love.
Yeah. Stop.